Hello everybody. This is our new arrival. This is a Boston Whaler 2021-24 Vantage. This is truly the do-it-all boat. You want to fish? Go fish. You want to go party? Go party. If it gets rough out and you got 2 to 4 foot waves and you're scared, this boat's going to handle it. You're going to stay dry and you're not going to get beat up. Go ahead, step aboard and check this beauty out. Notice the very spacious cockpit we have here. Everybody's free to move around. Beautiful transom well. When you're not fishing, you can also use this as a cooler. It is insulated. Pull out bench seat here. Plenty of room for 2 people. Also check out this beautiful area here. I can adjust this seat in 3 different locations, including one to where you can lay out completely and stretch out. Stay in the shade as well. Very beautiful integrated dash here. This one does not have a depth finder or GPS yet, so you can choose whichever one you would like. Go ahead, step aboard and check out the bow real fast. Extremely spacious bow. That middle cushion does move out. It is a filler cushion. Also, this boat will have a windlass and a very large bathroom. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful boat, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Justin Johnson at MarineMax in Clearwater. My phone number is 813-424-6084. Thank you very much. Hope to see you on the water.